G'day, today I'm going to teach you how to cook the perfect poached egg, and as a bonus stick around till the end and I'll show you how to plate up the ultimate Sunday breakfast. Now as a chef I've done many breakfast shifts, I've done countless amount of poached eggs. I came up with this technique, it works for me every time, I still use it today in the kitchen at work and on the weekends when I'm cooking breakfast for my family. So let's do this. So first things first, we're going to get our pot of water up to a simmer. Nice little bubbles there. Now remember, we're not boiling the egg, we're poaching the egg, so you don't want your water to be boiling. Add a little splash of vinegar in there. Alright, perfect. Now, crack your egg in. You can crack it into a little cup if you like and tip it in, but I prefer just to tip it straight in. I don't have time in the kitchen to muck around doing that. See how egg's perfectly congealing? Okay. Wait till the simmer comes back up and then we're going to turn it down and have a nice gentle poach. From this stage your egg should take about 3 minutes to cook, but don't worry about using a timer, just keep a little eye on it, don't walk away and do anything silly. Okay, if you want to see when it's ready, just lift it up out of the water, give it a little poke. You can see the whites are nice and set. That's a perfect poached egg. Let's go and plate it up. Okay, so there you go. We have the perfect poached egg with the ultimate Sunday morning breakfast, Metal Chef style. I've got my cherry tomatoes here. I just dried them out in the oven. I've got my avocado, bit of rocket, bit of feta. Beautiful. Bit of dukkha on the top here. And let's see if this works. There you go. The ultimate poached egg. Is it too early to crack a tinny yet?